CAVA's Harissa Honey Chicken is one of the most ordered proteins on their menu, and here's how to make it at home. Now it's sweet, smoky, and a little bit spicy. Now let's start with the marinade. That's what makes CAVA's chicken taste the way it does. Harissa for heat and smokiness, olive oil, lemon juice, red wine, vinegar for brightness, and honey to balance it all out. Then you'll add the spice blend: salt, garlic powder, dark chili powder, cumin, coriander, and a touch of turmeric for color. Whisk it all together in a bowl. Then in a zip top bag, add your boneless, skinless chicken thighs and your marinade. Refrigerate for up to 30 minutes, or better yet, up to 24 hours if you want a deeper flavor. When you're ready to cook, heat your grill to about 400 degrees, shake off the excess marinade, grill the chicken 5 to 7 minutes per each side, or until you get a little bit of char, and that internal temperature hits 165. If you don't have a grill, use a cast iron skillet. Full recipe with the exact measurements is in the description down below. If you make it, let me know in the comments how it was, and subscribe for more great new Copycat recipes each week.